Now I'll just show you how to pair your mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Ford EcoSport. So here we go. First of all, we check Bluetooth's on. It will come up here, probably come up as hands-free or then change to sync. But in the meantime, you can either click phone, and there you go, Bluetooth devices, none found, so you can add, retry or cancel. So we'll click add. This is the other way to do it.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
So here we go, we're just waiting for the device. Sometimes because I've already done it and deleted it, I've been using the car, it does confuse it. Occasionally it takes a little bit longer, especially if you've not switched your phone on and off in between. So it's looking here. There we go, sync. Click on sync. The other two are my cameras.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
So 365298, yes. So again, that corresponds to that button, yes, and pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. I'm not going to. I won't be using the car very long. So that's it connected. Now, another great...
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
Set Barry's iPhone 10 as a favourite phone, yes and no. Well, yes, I'll do that. That just means if two of you get in with the phones, it'll pick yours up rather than your passenger. Download phone book, no, I don't want to do that. Already told you. So that's it done.